Hello dear students, in the next part of our discussion, that is in the lesson units, dimensions and measurements, let us discuss about one of the very vital or important content in this lesson, that is called dimensions and dimensional formula of a given physical quantity. So next heading you can write down. The next is dimensional formula. Dimensional formulae or dimensions of a given physical quantity. We are going to discuss dimensional formula or dimensions of a given physical quantity. So already we discussed that if we consider any derived physical quantity, given derived physical quantity depends on one or more fundamental physical quantities. Area you can consider, volume you can consider, density you can consider, force you can consider. If we take any derived physical quantity, given derived physical quantity depends on one or more fundamental physical quantity. Here, each derived physical quantity will be having its own dimensional formula. Whatever the derived physical quantity you consider, each derived physical quantity will be having its own dimensional formula, and that dimensional formula of a given derived physical quantity will explain how that derived physical quantity depends on fundamental physical quantity. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು derived physical quantityಗೆ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ derived physical quantity ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is the main intention of what going for dimensional formula of what given physical quantity. One more very important point to be noted here. If you know the dimensional formula of any physical quantity, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು derived physical quantity ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ dimensional formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you can write its SI unit. So concentrate here. If you know the dimensional formula of what any derived physical quantity, with the help of that dimensional formula, easily we can write its SI unit. So in this class, I will explain how to obtain dimensional formula of what? Various derived physical quantities. So in order to get dimensional formula of any physical quantity, that is derived physical quantity, all fundamental physical quantities are represented within square bracket. Say for example, length is represented as, in order to get the dimensional formula, length is represented as square bracket of L. Length is represented as square bracket of L. Mass is represented as square bracket of M. Time is represented as square bracket of T. Time is represented as square bracket of T. Next comes temperature. Temperature is represented as square bracket of K. In some textbooks, they represent temperature as square bracket of Q, but here we'll take a temperature as a square bracket of K. Electric current is represented as a square bracket of A. In some textbooks they have taken square bracket of I. I will take the standard notation, that is electric current is represented as square bracket of A. Amount of substance amount of substance is represented as square bracket of MOL, and the last one, luminous intensity. That luminous intensity is represented as square bracket of CD. Here square bracket of L is called dimensional formula of length. Square bracket of M is called dimensional formula of mass. Square bracket of T is called dimensional formula of time. Similar way, square bracket of K is a dimensional formula of what? Temperature. Square bracket of A is a dimensional formula of what? Electric current. Square bracket of MOL is a dimensional formula of what? Amount of substance. Square bracket of CD is a dimensional formula of what? Luminous intensity. So these are called dimensional formulae for fundamental physical quantities. But our aim is to obtain dimensional formula for given derived physical quantity. We are getting what? We are obtaining the dimensional formula of what? Given derived physical quantity. The reason is, once you know the dimensional formula of a given derived physical quantity, easily we can analyze how derived physical quantity depends on fundamental physical quantities. In the first step, concentrate here. Length is represented by square bracket of L, mass is represented by square bracket of M, and time is represented by square bracket of T. So LMT, square bracket of LMT are called dimensional formulae for length, mass and time respectively. Now I will go for dimensional formula for some derived physical quantity. First I will take an example, later I will explain what actually the dimensions are. Okay, concentrate on dimensional formula now. First one, obtain dimensional formula for following derived physical quantities. For following derived physical quantities. We are obtaining the dimensional formula for what? The given derived physical quantity. In the first step, I will take area. I want to know what is the dimensional formula of a first physical quantity, that is called area. To obtain dimensional formula of a given derived physical quantity, it is necessary for you to know its formula. Physical quantity ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮಗೆ formula ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, then you can easily obtain what dimensional formula. So what is the formula for area here? Area can be written as what? Length into breadth. Area can be written as length into breadth. Okay, area can be written as length into breadth. In the next step, length as it is, breadth is also a length. Breadth kuda udda mattu agala. ಉದ್ದನು ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ಅಗಲಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. ದೇರ್ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೆಂತ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Length into length. So already we know the dimensional formula of length. What is the dimensional formula of length? The dimensional formula of length is square bracket of L multiplied by dimensional formula for length is square bracket of L. L into L, L square. L into L, L square. That is L to the power 2. There is no M here. M illa, mass illa illi. Therefore M to the power 0. There is no T here. Therefore T to the power 0. So M to the power 0, L to the power 2, T to the power 0 is called dimensional formula of what? Area. If I ask what is the dimensional formula for area, your answer is m power 0, L power 2 and T power 0. What it means? What is the meaning of area dimensional formula is m0, L2 and T power 0? It indicates that area is a derived physical quantity. It not depends on mass and time. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ m to the power 0 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, t to the power 0 ಇದೆ. Therefore, area is such a physical quantity. Area not depends on mass and time, but area is a physical quantity. It depends only on length. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ L power ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. Therefore, area is a physical quantity which depends on length and it is independent of what? Mass as well as what? Time. Here, powers of M, L and T are called dimensions. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಏರಿಯಾ. If I ask what are the dimensions of area, powers of M, powers of L and power of T, we will call it as a dimensions. If I write the dimensions, what I can write? Dimensions. Dimensions of area are, what are the dimensions of area? M power 0 here. Therefore, I can write 0 in mass. 0 in mass. L power 2. Therefore, 2 in length. 2 in length. T power 0. Therefore, 0 in time. So, dimensions of area are, what are the dimensions of area? 0 in mass, 2 in length and 0 in time. So, ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? In order to get area, power of a length should be raised by 2. Power of a length should be raised by 2 and power of a mass should be raised by 0 and power of a time is raised by 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, area can be obtained by raising the power of mass by 0, by raising the power of L by 2, by raising the power of what? T by 0, you are going to get what? Area. Therefore, here 0 to 0 are called dimensions of what? Area. Dimensions of area. Then how you are going to define dimensions? Dimensions andre ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? What are dimensions? Dimensions are the powers. Dimensions are the powers of a fundamental physical quantities to be raised. Dimensions are the powers of a fundamental physical quantities to be raised to get derived physical quantity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಪವರ್ ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, L ಪವರ್ ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ T ಪವರ್ ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಲಸ? Those are called what? Dimensions. Therefore, how you are going to define dimensions here? Dimensions are the powers of a fundamental physical quantities to be raised. Dimensions are the powers of a fundamental physical quantities to be raised to get given derived physical quantity. That is the definition for what? Dimensions. Okay, you can note down the definition of what dimensions by watching this video clearly. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ dimensions definition ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, but I obtained the dimensions of what? Which physical quantity here? Area. Dimensional formula. ಈಗ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಯಾವ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಮಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏರಿಯಾ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. m0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, t0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, l ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ so that the area is also going to changes. Therefore the area is a derived physical quantity which depends only on one fundamental physical quantity. That fundamental physical quantity will call it as a length here. So in this way we are going to obtain the dimensional formula of what? Various derived physical quantities. I will go for one more example. For a while just you concentrate on this one. Next I will discuss one more example here. Okay. So next I will take a second physical quantity, that is called volume. Obtain a dimensional formula for following physical quantities. Second example what I am taking here is volume, denoted by V, that is capital V, volume. What is the formula to calculate the volume? Volume can be calculated by using the formula length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. It is the formula to calculate the volume. Further, length as it is, breadth is also length, height is also length. These all are different forms of length. Length the ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧಗಳು ಇದೆ. ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಂತ್, ಹೈಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಂತ್, ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Therefore the volume can be written as length into length into length. What is the dimensional formula for length? Square bracket of L multiplied by length square bracket of L multiplied by length square bracket of L. Total L into L into L. Total it is L cube. Once again there is no m here, therefore m power 0. Once again there is no t here, that is time here, therefore t power 0. Then what is the dimensional formula for volume here? What is the dimensional formula for volume? M power 0, L power 3 and t power 0. M power 0, L power 3 and t power 0. This is the dimensional formula for volume. Yes, comment on the result. Result ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ? Result ಮೇಲೆ dimensional formula of volume we got. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? Volume is a physical quantity. Volume is a physical quantity which not depends on mass. Which not depends on mass. Volume is a physical quantity which is not depends on time. Volume is a physical quantity which depends on length. ಅಂದ್ರೆ volume can be obtained by raising the power of a length by 3. Therefore here 3, that is 3 in length. 3 in length will call it as a dimensions of volume. 3 in length will call it as a dimensions of volume. Of course 0 in mass, 0 in time. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಪವರ್ ನ 3 times ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ ಬೈ 3 times, that is 3, then definitely you are going to get the physical quantity called volume. Therefore what are the dimensions of volume? Dimensions of dimensions of volume are, what are the dimensions of volume here? 0 in mass, 3 in length, 0 in time, 0 in mass, okay, 3 in length, 3 in length, 0 in time. These are called dimensions of a physical quantity called volume. Okay, next I will go for one more example. That is, third example. Obtain a dimensional formula for following physical quantity, in which I will go for third example, that is density. Third physical quantity what I am taking here is density. Density, sandrate, denoted by symbol rho. Rho is a Greek symbol, rho. Density is denoted by the symbol rho here. Rho. Okay. Density can be calculated by using the formula. Density can be calculated by using the formula mass divided by volume. Mass divided by volume. Further, already we know the dimensional formula of mass. What is the dimensional formula of mass? Square bracket of m divided by, in the previous example we got the dimensional formula of volume. ಅಲ್ಲಿ m power 0 ಇತ್ತು, means m ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. t power ಕೂಡ 0 ಇತ್ತು. therefore volume the dimensional formula ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can negotiate m as well as t because their powers is 0. I guess you know very well. X to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is equals to what? 1. Okay. M power 0 there, t power 0, therefore I am negotiating, but volume depends on L power 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m power 0 ಇತ್ತು, ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. t power 0 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಉಳಿತೆ ನನಗೆ L power 3. Okay. Take L to the power 3 to the numerator. Take L to the power 3 to the numerator from the knowledge of your basic mathematics. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore L to the power plus 3, if you take to the numerator, it will become L to the power minus 3. Therefore, what? Density. Density equal to m as it is, L to the power 3, if you take to the numerator, it will become m L power minus 3. M L power minus 3. There is no time here, therefore t to the power 0. So what is the dimensional formula of density now? Density dimensional formula is m power 1, L power minus 3 and t power 0. So in order to get density, power of a mass should be raised by 1. Power of a length should be raised by minus 3. There is nothing to do with what? Power of t. Power of t ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ t ಪವರ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಪವರ್ ನ ಒಂದು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಪವರ್ ನ minus 3 ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, t ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. t ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್, t ಪವರ್ 0. therefore here 1 minus 3 are called dimensions of what? Density. Therefore what I can write? Dimensions of density are, what are the dimensions of density? 1 in mass, 1 in mass, minus 3 in length, minus 3 in length, 0 in. So these are the dimensions of what? The another physical quantity called density. So in the next session also I will continue with what? dimensional formula of various derived physical quantity. So keep on what? Deriving the dimensional formula of various physical quantity, so that we will get the grip on what? Dimensions or dimensional formula of a given physical quantity. If you know the dimensional formula of a given derived physical quantity, even you can write its unit. Other unit ಬರಿಬಹುದು. SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, CGS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, MTS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. That I will let you know in what? The next class. As of now, I will stop here only.